When I started trading, I was struggling with either to go into swing trading, day trading, or scalping. But I was already understanding what it really entails to be either be a scalper or to be a swing trader or to be a day trader. So later, finding my place, struggling, trying to get a mentor, I was able to get into a trading course where it was really my foundation, and that's when my profitability started. So I got into swing trading, but in down me, I was not really enjoying being a swing trader. So I was trying to search for knowledge how I can transfer what I have as a swing trader into a day trader. And after so many attempts, so many failed attempts, testing and back testing, I was able to get myself into being a day trader. So in this video, I'll be sharing you the hidden truth about being a scalper, a day trader, and a swing trader. Not everybody can be a scalper, not everybody can be a day trader, not everybody can be a swing trader. You need to find what works for you by even your daily routine on how available you can be on the chart. One of the reasons why I got bored with swing trading is I find myself on the chart from when I wake up in the morning down to when I'm sleeping, looking for entries, checking my charts if my price has gotten to my area of interest, trying to on the screen, finding myself not doing things I also love doing. I find myself just stick to the charts being a swing trader. So, but as a day trader, I'm able to actually trade few hours in a day, buy and sell if my opportunity presents itself during the day. So in this video, I'll be sharing the hidden truth about scalping and day trading. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing me, my name is Akinwale Victor, and what I do in this channel is to make you a profitable trader by sharing my own practical experience with the chart and giving you how you can fix your indiscipline and to be a consistent trader. So let's get into the work of the day. So welcome back. The hidden truth about scalping, day trading, and swing trading. There are a lot of hidden truths. You need to know what they all entail in order to be able to swing, scalp, or day trade. So you need to actually understand what it means to be a scalper, what it means to be a day trader, what it means to be a swing trader. So they all have their own characteristics and comparison. So I'll be sharing you what it really entails there. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe now because I'm going to dive into things you need to know as a day trader, swing trader, and what is scalper. So getting to who is a scalper. Now, a scalper is somebody. Let me break it in their time frame, in more of like their objective, maybe how they take trade, the risk involved. So let me break it that way. So in the time frame, as a scalper, they make use of what the shorter time frames like the 1 minute, 15 minutes. Though sometimes some of them make use of the 4 hours for the direction of the day, but mainly scalpers trade basically just on the 1 minute or even on the 5 minutes, and they are only looking forward to trade within 2 to 5 minutes with a very high risk. So let me just keep it short. So as a scalper, what you need to focus on what is on the 1 or 5 minutes time frame, and you're looking forward to just be on a trade just within 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes of when the trade is being placed. So, and you may trying to be in the market for 5 to 15 minutes, you must be trading when there is volume. So as a scalper, one of your main things you are looking for is what? A volume. So you have to, if you want to be a scalper, you have to design your trading system to when there is volume in the market, so you can be able to catch enough pips for yourself. So the objective is to catch small price movements, just the fluctuation, and repeatedly throughout the day. Let's say if you are trading for like for 2 hours or 3 hours within the day, you can possibly be having like 5 to 10 positions differently, closing, opening, closing, closing, opening, closing, and just trying to catch the little fluctuation in the price. So you're always looking forward to catch those trades during high volume in the market. And when can you get the high volume? Mainly during the news time, during the section opening, the London opening, the New York opening, and the Asian opening. You can actually get the volume on your desired pair. So the uniqueness of scalping is what it focuses on speed and precision. You must know what you are doing. You must be constant with what you are doing. So, and you need to make fast decision. So the risk with scalping is very high. You have an high risk, and if you are not careful and you are not precise what you are looking for, you get to burn your account because you are opening 5 to 10 trades in a day or within even 2 hours. You're opening, closing, opening, closing, opening, closing. So as a scalper, the best I do advise for my students who love to switch to being a scalper, tell them make sure what you focus on what a daily target that you want to achieve every day. So let's go get into being a day trader. As a day trader, your time frame focus is just, personally now I've switched to day trading, and I combine 4 time frames together. I make use of the 30 minutes, I make use of the 15 minutes, I make use of the 5 minutes for my direction, and I'm looking forward to time frames to be in sync. So on my 1 minute, I'm looking forward to place my trade what in the direction of those 3 time frames. So, and as a day trader, what you only need to do is what you only need to be on the chart for just, not compulsory even 24 hours of the day, but what the main goal is to buy and sell inside possibly your section or inside the 24 hours you have for the day. You are not staying, you are not staying, placing the trade the next day, or you are not leaving the trade to run to the next day. So you just want to buy and to sell and to close within that day. So trades last minutes, hours, and are closed before the market close for the day. So the objective of being a day trader is to make profits from more of the intraday movements, the movements on the 15 minutes, the movement on the 30 minutes, and the frequency of actually how the trade gets to appear is not as how the scalping strategy or being a scalper. So the frequency is just being moderate, few trades, not 10 trades in a day. Like my the max trade I set for my day trading system is 3. Anything more than 3, and the max loss for the day is 1. So I can have win, loss, break even. So but the main thing is, if my day starts with the loss, that's all for that day. So the uniqueness of being a day trader is the speed is not as being a scalper. So just, and the risk is actually less. We have even though some people count it as an high stress compared to being a swing trader, because as a swing trader you have very low stress, but as a day trader the stress is also low. But what you need to just focus on is what you need to focus more. You need to focus more on the risk to reward. That's what's really going to make you profitable. So you know what you are risking, you prefine your trade before taking them. So moving on to being a swing trader, I'm sure I started the video with how I started swing trading in my early days, and swing trading is very, very fun. It's just that swing trader requires people with patience, and sincerely, after studying myself for over 2 years in the field, I see that this swing trading is not something for me. I don't want to be on the chart all day. I don't want to wait for my setup to form for possibly 3 days or even 1 week. I don't want to stay without doing anything. I just want to participate every day. Even though my day trading system does not present an edge every day. Like this week now, I've only traded, and we are in Thursday, I've only traded twice. No, yeah, twice. Today and yesterday. So in the swing trading, make use of what? Maybe 30. I make use of 30 or 1 hour for my entry. For my direction, I use 4 hours daily and weekly to get my direction with 2 time frame in sync, and see similar to my day trading system. So I want what? 4 hours daily and weekly, to 2 time frame must be in sync within this 3 time frame, and I'm taking my entry either on the 30 minutes or on the 1 hour. Why I said my day trading, which I built, is I'm looking at the 30 minutes, the 1 hour, because it's just something during the day, just want to catch the intraday movement. So I'm looking at the 30 minutes, the 1 hour, the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and the 5 minutes, and I'm looking forward to take my entry on the 1 minute. So the frequency on swing trading, same trades, is very, very low, few trades per week, and uniqueness is that it allows for more flexibility. So you can, like I do tell people, swing trading, if you swing trade, you can actually trade news conveniently, because the news will always, fundamentals will always align with swing traders, because it's a long-term view on 4 hours. So imagine, so you are safe. So we have, in the risk base, reason why a lot of people trade it is because we have low risk. So those are the things you need to know about being a scalper, a day trader, or a swing trader. So if you want to learn how you can actually skyrocket your win rate to something very good or something very decent, if you are not satisfied with your win rate and you love to skyrocket your win rate, I made a video on the guidelines and the step-by-step process you need to follow in order to skyrocket your win rate. So if you want more of this teaching content, kindly subscribe now for more. If you want to get connected to me, check the description box. You are going to see my contact. Get connected to me or drop a comment. I will send a DM and we are going to get connected. So stay tuned for more teaching content.